A minute 25 is a hard record to beat. I wish I could see that nigga's video doing that. That's insane. That was quick. All right, thank you very much, brother. What's that?
They give you a nice thick straw for the milkshake. It's good.
Give me a countdown.
1, 2, 3, go.
My boy Tristan, man, that's the captain right there.
Brain freeze.
Brain freeze?
Get it.
Come on,
Get
captain,
it.
captain, captain, captain. Come on. You got this, he got this, he got this.
Alrighty.
Hey, captain, captain. Hey. We're in the Holy Chucks. So a while ago we just did a food challenge for my brother Tristan. And so now I'm just going to do a little quick review of their signature burger. Presentation. I like it too as well. See how it looks. I think it's really good. No complaints. You know, I recommend it. I like it. The bun's nice and soft. Pause. Callaloo one, here goes. Coming from Jamaica, I can tell you already that this is definitely good stuff. This callaloo patty is authentic. There it is. That's the callaloo right there.
Jerk chicken one?
Woo! Guys, jerk chicken one. Can't wait.
I got high hopes for this one. No, that's good too, man.
You can see the real shrimp in there. Alright. Look at that. That's real shrimp. Yeah, they put in a shrimp patty from Superlicious. Superlicious. Super. I'll figure it out. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. We got fried chicken. We got curry goat, rice and peas. Look at that fried chicken right there. Let me dig in. I don't know if you guys can hear that crunchiness, but that's fresh fried chicken right there. Guys, words can't express how much I'm enjoying this right now. And tell those guys over by Caribbean Queen, Rory, the Rustic cook, thank you. You got the Stromboli. Goddamn Stromboli. Bro, that sounds kind of suspect. Pause. Told me, you ain't getting none yet. Not for you. We got some red onion, sauteed onions, cheese. What else we got in there? We got that good stuff right there. That's a lot of layers of meat in there. Pause. Put it in your mouth there, sauce.
Authentic Stromboli.
Stromboli, that's the pepperoni Stromboli stacked with meat, layers up. It's pizza, Stromboli. Definitely worth checking out. Wonderful. Chicken tacos, chicken fajitas, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, you hear that fresh lime, trust me. Have you ever done a one chip challenge before?
No, I haven't. So I don't know what I'm in store for.
How are you feeling right now?
Pretty good.
Not nervous?
No, I think I can handle it. I'm just gonna shove it all in.
Alright.
But wait a second, because it's kicking it. My eyes are starting to water though, so we'll see.
Well, at least you don't need the Kleenex yet.
Not yet. Oh, I got a little chip in my throat there.
And tingling still?
I'm tingling.
This is looking yummy. Ooh, I like that. Oh, got broth. It's really good. Try the rice noodle now. Ooh, it's hot. Nice. Very light.
Mix it up a little bit. Oh yeah.
Alright. My God. Yo, Pinky. Not gonna lie now. I love to cook for you, but I don't think you could have full your belly. You look like you're ready for throw up. Ross. Yo, Pinky, you bad, you know? Yo, Pinky, you what? I'm gonna slide on your DM, Rustic cook. Cause I'm not gonna lie, but I love to cook for you. Why, Pinky? Oh, sure, I think she threw up there, she edited that part.